Hi, this is Joyce from This or That Creations, where I inspire you to be original in all you do and just be you. Today I'm participating in the Heidi Sonboul DIY Challenge Valentine's theme. Hey, make sure to check out her channel for all the great inspiration. And while you're at it, check out the playlist link down below for all those other amazing DIYers. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And you know the drill. Also help a girl out and like and follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell for notifications. Thank you. Now let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I have this clock that my sister gave me, so I got this absolutely free. I've already taken it apart to see kind of what we were doing. We got new hands because this did not work. We picked one up from the Habitat for $2, not $8. We're going to go ahead and give this a little bit of StemPunk Farmhouse look. So my husband went ahead on the Cricut and made some gears that we're going to cut on some wood. We have a door plate we're going to go ahead and rust up with some hydroperoxide and some hydrochloric acid. Now this stuff is potent and you want to be careful and wear a mask and gloves and do it outdoors. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and take our decal and apply it to our wood and use our scroll saw to cut it. Nope, I'm gonna let my husband do this. Here we're going to go ahead and disassemble the clock so we can go ahead and sand it to get rid of some of these bumps and the paint on here. First we're going to go ahead and have to remove the hands. You just want to go ahead and take pop the top part off. We're going to go ahead and we're going to remove these bolts. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to rust our metal. We're going to make sure to do it outside with gloves and a mask. We're just going to go ahead and pour on our acid and then put on our hydrogen peroxide. And as you can see, the colors start to change automatically. Alright guys, we're back up in my craft room. All the stuff in the shop happened really fast. I'm going to kind of go over it. So here we have the clock that we talked about. I sanded it down because the paint had some rough edges on it. Then we went ahead and we rusted our metal. This is how it turned out. Got the holes drilled in here. This is a piece of wood that was originally just in here with the heart. We're going to use this to be sturdy in between our two pieces. We have these pieces that my husband cut out because this girl wasn't doing it. There's some things I'll do. There's some I'm like, no. So we have these. We're going to go ahead and make them look rusty. And then we have the bottom piece. Then we're going to want all this sandwiched in together to just give it more durability. That's what we're going to have. We'll have our gears inside. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start painting this. We are going to start with our Waverly ink chalk. We're going to give it a full coat and then we'll go from there. Our one coat of the Waverly black ink on here. We are going to go ahead and we're going to use some Waverly Crimson chalk paint. I know it sounds a little crazy, but I'm going to put some red just along the edges for when I distress and sand this. You're going to see these little hints of red. It will not be all over. spots everywhere. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our Waverly white chalk, and I'm just gonna do a light coat because I'm not quite sure exactly if I want 2 coats or 1. So we're just gonna go all over with white. So now we're done. We did our white, we have the red. Came through, I used my finger to put a little more touch red because it wasn't as well as I wanted it to. But this is what we have so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and start painting our gears that my husband cut out of the wood. We're gonna try to do it like a rust look. I'm gonna use some black ink chalk, Waverly chalk, some Art Mine silver, some Folk Art metallic, antique copper, and some burnt umber apple barrel. I got my little sponges. We're just gonna put it on the plate and we're gonna just go with it. Now that I got the gears painted how I wanted to, I glued them down with E6000 and my hot glue. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that up. Then we're gonna take a piece here, that's sort of like sandwiching it in between. We're gonna glue that down. We're gonna take our top piece. We're gonna do the same thing. Check our placement. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our clock part here. So we're just gonna take it, have the black ring on here, take it through. We're gonna take our little washer, place it on here. Then we're gonna take our bolt, and go ahead and screw that on. This is where we're at. I went ahead and got some washers and I antiqued them and placed them on here on the gears. So we have this done and complete. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna insert it into our clock here, and then we'll put the hands on. I'm loving how this is turning out, super cute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place our hands on. Now you want to go ahead and make sure you get the bigger one here. You're going to place it in the middle and you're going to go ahead and push it down. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your other one, and it has kind of a, what do you call it, oval shape. You want to place that in the right position as well. Then you're going to go ahead and take your little bolt, go ahead and just go ahead and stick this one right in on top. Push it down. Okay, we're finally finished with our project, guys. Turned out absolutely amazing. A little steampunk, a little farmhouse, a little my husband, a little bit me. We worked on it together to come up with this. I had some stickers in my stash. I had a star in my stash. Who doesn't love their craft stash? I love my craft stash. I absolutely love this project. Turned out amazing. It's different, it's unique, and I hope it inspires you. Thank you guys, and have a good night.